Hi, welcome to my page. So today I'll be teaching you how to use eyeshadow for your lip. I can assure you that this eyeshadow dip method is more efficient. It lasts longer. Like, should always use this method for your bridal makeups because it doesn't stain, it doesn't do much like that. So first of all, you're gonna be using normal lip gloss or lip stain as we usually do. Line up your lip, do your colors for those who are doing ombre. So when you're done, take your eyeshadow, the same colors of the lip stain you added, use the same color in your eyeshadow. So as you can see, I use the same color of my pink eyeshadow at the middle, and then I'm still using the pink for my middle. Now I'm using dark brown. That's what I use to line my lip. So I'm using it for the upper lip. See how it is very dry and others, and so beautiful. Your bride can use it. It will not stain her lips, it will not stain her mouth, it will not even crack, unlike the normal lip stain and all those. So this is it. You can top it up with your lip gloss if you wish. This is it. Very dry, very beautiful. Now I want to top it up with my lip gloss. Lip gloss I think it brings out the beauty more. But no matter what, no matter if you use a lip gloss or not, you can rest assured that your lip will be intact throughout your client's event. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Thank you for watching. Bye.